What's going on, y'all? It's your boy JefTV, and today, look what came into the mail, son. It's the M4 exhaust for my Ninja zx636. I got this M4 out of eBay. I'll leave the link down into my description, and yeah, you can get it off from there. But yeah, now I'll let you guys hear how the stock exhaust sound first, and then we'll move on from there. Alright, let's go. This is how it sounds like cold start. Alright, that's it. I don't want to make the bike too hot to work on. Alright, let's do the unboxing first. Yes. Let's see what we got inside the box. It's gonna be hard to do this with one hand. But yeah. I'll open this up first. Alright, so inside the box we have the M4 exhaust, slip-on exhaust itself, and some tools. So this is how the exhausts look like. Nice and clean. And yeah, empty. This is basically just a slip-on exhaust. You don't need any link pipe or anything like that, but just basically a slip-on. First thing first, we're gonna take off the exhaust out of this thing first. I'm sure it's gonna be complicated, but yeah, installing this won't be that hard. So yeah, just stay tuned and see how it goes. So I guess the first step that we're gonna do is take off this bolt, 2 and 3, to take this off, black plate, and after that the exhaust itself. So let's work on these 3 bolts first. Alright, so we've taken the exhaust out now. It was kind of complicated to take off the exhaust from the servo wire, but yeah, you just have to, I'll explain it to you in another video, but for now let's just focus on exhaust. So you have to take the servo wire out of the exhaust, deattach the exhaust, and yeah, and then you should continue from here. And also after you remove that, you have to take off the seat and also remove the wire. This is the wire that's down there, that's connected to the exhaust, and this connects to the servo. Yeah, so I ordered a servo body for a servo delete. Unfortunately I don't have it yet, but yeah, I'll just install the exhaust first and I'll show you the servo body on the other video. Now the next part is to remove this plate, and underneath is the catalytic converter. Look how the cat look like. It's huge. Yeah, we don't want this thing. Alright, oh my god, this is tiring. So yes, we got the cat out. I think now the next step is to get rid of this first before we install the M4 exhaust. And then yeah, we're almost We're almost there, guys. Alright, guys. That's harder than expected, but yeah, dude, we finished. So there's a few things that are different with the exhaust that I got. I'm not sure if they mistakenly added the information about this exhaust is suitable for 2019, but as I was making this exhaust, they provided a bracket for you to hang the exhaust so that it can hold it. This metal piece is supposed to be behind the right foot peg because it doesn't fit. It wouldn't allow me because of this metal piece here that are, I don't know if it's because it's a newer model, but this piece wouldn't allow me to just put it right behind the foot peg. So what I did is I put it even further back, so behind the metal piece of this chassis. So I don't know if you can see it right now. It's behind there. So if you ever get this exhaust for your 2019 so forth, just beware of this. They will tell you to put it behind this, but yeah, I just got lucky that it still fits it. I'm not sure if this is gonna be secure. I mean, I'm just doing it for my own risk because I don't wanna, hassle about giving it back to the shop. But yeah, let's see how it sounds like now. Cold start. This is loud, bro. Bro. So servo is gone, but then I don't see any error onto the dash, maybe because I'm not riding yet, but yeah. Alright, this is how it sounds like when it's warmed up. Alright, time to rev. Oh my god, dude. Yo, so I'm done with the insulation. Now let's try it on the streets. Alright, let's test this baby out. Oh. Oh my god. I didn't see the cops, bro. I already can feel that this thing is gonna be loud, man. Oh, holy sh**. Oh my god, bro, this thing is loud. To be honest though, I can already feel that it is so much lighter behind me compared to the stock exhaust. Like, I don't know if you can feel it, but I feel it, bro. Bro, I think
I'd be calling out the cops like this. So this thing is loud, man. Even though in the lower RPM, don't tell me this is a mistake, man. It's so loud. I'm like a beacon to the cops, bro. Oh my god. Legit though, this is how bikes should sound like. There's a performance upgrade on this thing. It's very hard to tell. It's because it's very minor, but if you know your bike, you know there's something's changed, and I honestly feel that, you know. So I think it's because I reduced a lot of the weight from the stock exhaust, because that thing is heavy. That's probably the main reason why it is more torquier, if that's the right term. But I haven't even put the servo body yet, but I don't see any error in the dash. Like, I don't know if you can see it, or am I blind or something, but I see nothing. So I don't know if this is supposed to be normal or not, but yeah, I guess I'm still gonna put on the servo body to, you know, like prevent any issue with the bike and all that. But by the way, thanks to all the people who commented on my video recommending me to get an M4, because I always wanted the M4. But yeah, each one of y'all, thanks, man. This thing sounds beast. Alright, so one of our upgrades are done. What do you think I should upgrade next? Leave a comment down below what you think, what I should upgrade next. And yeah, I'll see you soon for my next video. Peace out.